Top 3 mistakes to avoid when selling your Edmonton home in our hot market. Hey, I'm Leanna Martins, and I want to welcome you to episode 1 of LEANNA-TV. So, you own your own home, and you've heard that Edmonton's real estate market is on fire. You're thinking, hey, why don't I just throw my house up? I'm gonna list high and I'm gonna line my pockets, right? Wrong. When you buy a car, for example, when you go car shopping, you shop several different dealerships. Do you choose the car that has the best features for the highest price? Or do you choose the car that has the best possible features for the best price? Well, obviously, you choose the best possible car for the best price. That's exactly what your buyers are gonna do when you put your home on the market. So a savvy seller knows that they can strategically apply pricing. And if they do, they can create a competitive market and drive the price up and get what they want and maybe even more. So if you want to list your home, why take the time and the energy to prepare it? If you know you're already in a hot seller's market, you can just throw it up. It's going to sell anyways, right? Wrong. So it is incumbent upon you as a seller to take the time right now to declutter, to clean up, to fix, to paint, to touch up, to do all of the things that you need to do to present your home in the best possible light. You know why? Because the market is finally in your favor, and you owe it to yourself to maximize the opportunity that you have now to get the most money. It doesn't matter what realtor I choose, friend, family member, whatever. It's a hot seller's market. It's not like it's hard. Just throw it up on MLS, just throw a stick in the ground with a for sale sign. It's done, right? Wrong. It is very important, and I would say critically important, who you choose to represent you for your most, essentially your largest asset. Why is that important? Because you want to find somebody that not only has your best interest at heart, but somebody who's professional and understands right now more than ever how to sell your home in the non-traditional way. So right now we are in the era of Facebook and Instagram, my friends. And that is what you need. Somebody who's proficient in digital marketing strategies, who has a great track record, and who's gonna have your best interest at heart and get you the most eyeballs, like your eyeballs on me, but this on your home to sell high in a least amount of time. Do yourself a favor and find a progressive professional agent that's gonna get the job done and maximize your opportunity now. So, that brings our first episode to an end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also click the little notification bell so you don't miss the next episode of LEANNA-TV in 2 weeks. I'll see you soon.